Are you investing in marketing campaigns but unsure of how to measure their success? Do you want to understand the return on investment or ROI of your marketing efforts? Looking for effective ways to gauge and improve the profitability of your marketing strategies? And if these questions resonate with you, then you are in the right place because in this video, I'm going to guide you through measuring and understanding the ROI of your marketing campaigns. And we will explore these 5 tips. First, we will define clear goals and metrics. Then we will track your campaigns effectively. Then we will calculate your ROI or return on investments. And number 4, we will analyze and interpret the results. And finally, we will use ROI insights for your future strategies. You too can gain valuable insights to optimize your marketing strategies. So, every marketing campaign is an opportunity to learn and grow.